Hello, I'm Adam Barnes. This is class MDV5. This is where we developed a mobile app for a wearable device. This is a postmortem for my wearable device app that we did for our project. My app was called Time Flies. It's meant to be an activity tracker, similar to Rescue Time for the computer as you're going through your courses, and you would do Rescue Time as you're trying to track your time spent on activities. This though is designed to be for the Apple Watch as a standalone device, and it's meant to track custom built activities. A user can actually program their own activities in and build activities and track the amount of time they spend on them throughout the week. Looking at the app here, you can see there's a lot of activity that I have here with notifications, different notifications for alert and notices. Even one here that I didn't get fully programmed into the app before I had to submit it, which was before it goes to reset your weekly data, it gives you the ability to review that in a notification. And then also, this is the activity screen here for interface controllers. Looking through the way this app is designed, and the way it was built, what the purpose it was built for. You can come in here and you can select an activity. You can choose. Right now I already currently have one running, which is dance. My daughters are into ballet and dance. So you can select an activity. If you select the wrong activity or one that's not running, it will give you an alert, let you know, hey, you've got to stop the activity that you're at before you can go through and start another one. Now I can start, say, work, and then start that one. You could also go to an activity report and watch, and it shows you the one running. And then as the weekly times increase, it will reshuffle these based on which one has the longest weekly time running for that activity. You can actually see it's recording every time I go to open the activity report. So that's the current functionality of the watch. But really, we're talking about the postmortem here. What went well? Actually, what went wrong? That's the first question. Core data and notifications. Oh my goodness, they absolutely killed me. Without Professor Sheckel's strong advice on how to do it, I would have continued to pull my hair out trying to figure those out. So, but yes, core data and notifications. You can see here, notifications were going to be a big part of my app, and it was killing me. Core data, even going into that, looking at core data, the place where I messed up, one is trying to figure out core data to begin with. There's not a whole lot of examples for standalone apps. Good thing about it is most iOS devices have the same structure. Even when I tried to add, like I'd already built this core data and then I wanted to add another entity, I forgot that this is supposed to be manual none over here on the code gen, and that was just wreaking havoc with my code every time I tried to add a new entity, and it was just right toward the deadline. I was like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? And so, yeah, those are the areas where it went wrong. Where it went right, I would say in my user interface, and then the coding logic. I was very strong on those, so I was happy that even after being rusty on Swift for since we've been in Android for such a long time, that it didn't take too long to get back into it. All of the interface and the layouts, I think, went really well for my app. What did I learn from the experience? One, I actually launched this on my personal iWatch, or my personal Apple Watch. I had to go through and reestablish or edit my certificate on the developer website to add my watch into it, since I just bought it last month, coincidentally. But yes, I launched it on my watch and was able to test it. It was awesome to see my app on my watch, so that was pretty cool. Core data notifications. Yes, I learned so much about core data notifications from this project, and I will never forget those lessons, and I'm very thankful for that. What would I have done differently? I would have spent more time on this app more than say the other lessons throughout the course of the month, even though they're important too. I would have spent more time on core data and notifications earlier, and just a lot more focus on that. Other than that, it's been a great time. It's been a great month. It's probably one of my most favorite classes I've had so far. And thank you, Professor Shekels. You have been instrumental in me learning this month. And thank you very much.